Oh, we need gas again. They said they call it the MT10 because the tank is always empty. And I believe it. Because my tank is always empty, bro. I'm always out of gas. We are going to Best Buy today. And we are going to buy a Hero 12. And we got to get another battery tender. One of the battery tenders is messing up. So that's the plan. This 9 is freezing up. So 12 is going to go on the face. And the 10 is going to graduate to the handlebars. And then 9 is going to graduate to being fired. Chevron's the only gas station in America that has Supreme on this side. Usually Supreme's on this side. So every now and then, I mess up and select the wrong gas when I come here. This bike is probably overkill for riding around town. I was going to take the 07, but this one was in the back. I don't feel like rolling it out of the way to get the 7 out and pushing this one back in. You get me again. Battery sounds weak, man. He said it was brand new, but he also let it sit for 3 months, so. But it was on a battery tender. Well, he said it was, and it has a plug on it, so. All right, let's get it back. This thing does feel big. When you're making lane changes and trying to swerve it around, it does feel pretty big, but it's smooth. I'm waiting for the day I stand this front up and go, all right, now I'm going to try to keep it up. Instead of when it comes up, immediately trying to bring it back down. He's lucky he pulled in that lane, bro. Always, bro. The minute this light turns green, them arms come down. Happens 1,000 times a day. I guess we might as well go to Cycle Gear first, now that I think about it. Guess we'll do that, then we'll go to Best Buy. Downshifting this bike sounds so good. Oh, it sounds so good. I don't even know if I want it louder. I think I like it. I mean, the only really reason I want it louder is so I can hear it on video. That's a dumb reason to spend money. Let's go get a battery tender first, and then we'll go to Best Buy. Best spot? Yep. Yeah, it's that FZ1 guy. I knew he worked at Cycle Gear. Sorta. Sorta. All right. Here's our Cycle Gear. Let's see, looking for a battery tender. I'll put my battery on tender. What is the price for the two? I could easily just walk over there and ask somebody, but not me. I'm hard-headed. Oh, here we go, see? We'll just get this little cheap one, dude. Works great. I don't know. I like this one. Maybe we should get that one. It's 48. How many? 750. 750 milliamp. Good enough for me, dude. That's the one we have already. We have 2 of these right now. Let's get another one. That's freaking cool. Let's swap for your helmet. Get these for the silver bike. One of my screws fell out. So they don't match.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good, dude. You good? This dude and them two guys. I see this guy all over the place. Yeah. On that FZ1. You're in one of my videos. I roll up on you. Yeah, I was on an FZ10.
Nice.
And I was like, yeah, dude, I know that bike. That thing's loud, dude. Yeah. And freaking, like, that's where mine comes from. You know what I mean? So, like, I always had a little love for that bike. All right, boss. Thank you. Hell yeah, dude. There she is, man. I love those bikes, bro. That thing's loud, too, with that Kaufman's on it. Wow. And then this thing is sick. Look at the little M4. Yeah, dude. R6, bro. If we got an R6, that's the one we want. That black one? I love it. Love it. They got it right, too. They put the sight glass where the fill plug is. On this bike, the fill plug is on one side and the sight glass is on the other. That surprises me, because Yamaha don't usually do dumb stuff like that. Alright. Let's go to Best Buy. Right here in the Best Buy, man. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get to because it's over there. But we're way over here. So, let's see what happens. Bro, it never fails, dude. It never fails. The minute you start going, that's when all the cars want to do something. I think our best bet to get to Best Buy, maybe go this way. Please don't make me put a battery in this thing. I just put a battery in the 07 before I wrecked it. I just put a lot of stuff on that thing before I wrecked it. But I had just put a battery in it because it's sat. God dang, man. We're sitting at every red light today. Bro, I'm about to go anyway, dude. I can't go. I was looking around for cops and I looked up, I saw the light, so I was like, all right, we're good. About to run it. Ooh. I think he wants to smoke. I'm passing, but Best Buy is right up here. If you can't see that big giant ass yellow sign in your face. Ooh, bike parking only. Oh, he caught the shade. See if I can give me some of that. A little bit of it. Boom.
Okay, Google.
Bro, this thing does that randomly, super loud in your ear all the time. Okay. Well, I better not say it's gonna do it again. All right, we made it. Dude, this thing's getting scratched up, dude. We'll get it covered for her. All right. What's up, bud? Well, Best Buy has changed. Good God. I haven't been in Best Buy in years, bro. This place is different. It's like Wish.com in person. And then there's where you pick it up. Weird, bro. Alright. Hero 12. Locked up. We're just gonna get the 12, bro. Fuck the bullshit. Even though another 9 is dude, another 10 is 249. This 10 was a good camera. Nah, I want the new shit. I want the new hotness. Excuse me. I would like to buy a Hero 12. This one. Boom.
Cool. Okay, receipt's gonna go to your email. You're all set.
Hell yeah, dude.
There you go. Back in business.
Yeah. All right, cool. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Huh. Well, there's no car audio in Best Buy anymore. Did she give us a receipt? I don't even know. I don't know. Yeah, I got it. I'm good. What y'all don't realize is, well, you probably are realizing it. We just beat the I'm gonna check your bag thing. Fuck him. Fuck him right in the Best Buy. Well, let's see what this battery does. See what she sounds like. Oh, I don't know, bro. Meow. Maybe that's what they all sound like. Is that what your FZ sounds like? Count, count. It's a little bit quiet. I think we can weasel our way up out of here onto this little road. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Let's go home. We'll stay off the highway, bro. We don't need to get on the highway today. Let's go home and play with this Hero 12. Let's go home and do what every little boy likes to do with a brand new toy. We go play with it. My two real brethren and sisterin up here. I think it's a scooter, bro. Oh, it's a cruiser. Yeah, dude, V-Rod. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah, bro. That thing looking good too. Yeah, dude, nice, bro. Let's not do 130, bro. Come on. Watch out. Today's today's October 1st, but yesterday was September 30th, and I was at the grocery store, and I was like, oh crap, it's the 30th, Halloween's tomorrow. So I bought a bunch of candy, not realizing that it's September 30th, not October 30th. I don't know why I thought I was living in October. I was completely a month ahead of y'all. I've probably been writing that date like 10 something on papers and all. Dude, oh my God. I've been living in October this whole month. Ain't even October. You never come from this way. It's always weird when you go through somewhere that you always go through, but you go through a different way and it looks completely different. I am the king of leaving my turn signal on, baby. I might as well be like your boy back there and just ride with my flashers on. All right, Bostelinas, this was awesome, man. I had a fun time today. Ran to the Best Buy, to the Cycle Gear. That's cool. I'm wearing a chest cam because I wanted to take y'all inside the store with me. We'll see how that works out. If it looks dumb, I'm not going to use it. I know it looks dumb on me right now. I know that. That's why I don't ever wear it. It's a cool angle, but it looks dumb, man. In person, like, it just looks dumb. But, all right, Bostelinas, thanks for kicking it with me today. I love you guys. Bitch, I'm a Bostelino.